How to redeem Walmart gift card. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site walmart.com. Once you are in here, you need to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. And when you are logged into your account, tap on this account at the top. Once again, click on account. In the manage account section, head over to payment methods. The section of credit or debit card and the gift card will be available to you. What you want to do is tap on this add a gift card. This interface will pop up on your screen. So in this space, what you want to do is enter a gift card number and also enter the PIN or the security code. Well, you will also have to enter the gift card nickname. And once you have entered, tap on save. Well, now your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you will be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to redeem Walmart gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.